Hi there, this is my log, and I have a couple of old Yale wafer locks here. I'll put that one aside for the moment. Now, this one I think is the newest of the two, and it's got a very weak spring there, as we can see from the rust stains around the shackle. It's the spring it's still there, but it's very weak. I think the corrosion's got to it. And there's the key. And like I say, I think this is the newest of the two. We'll try and give it a pick. You can see a lot of movement on that core. And then when we try picking this, if I can keep the camera focused. We might see if I can get under pin 4, 3, 2, 1. So we've got what I would call counter rotation. So I'm not entirely sure if it is true counter rotation. It would be nice to know what sort of what the wafers are like inside one of these. So I think this is the oldest of the two, and it's still got a half decent shackle snap. And not quite so much slop on the core in this one. Let's get in there, go to the back. So we've got a little bit of core movement there, a wee bit of a false set, and as I set pin 1, we get a little counter rotation. Four, 3, 2. Wafers feel a bit sticky. There we go. The wafer at the back just wasn't quite lifted high enough. So there we go. So I'm wondering if Peter would be able to tell me if I was right in thinking that the Yale on the left is the older of the two. I don't think there's probably much in it, but I just think those keys look like they might be an older design than that one. So there we go. 2 Yale wafer locks. I'm not sure of the model number of these Yale 700 and somethings maybe, but I don't know. If you know the model number of these, you can let me know in the description, in the comments, and I'll add it to the description. So there we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.